9:51. Now this WCBS Women in Business Report.
Credit is a tool to be used responsibly and thoughtfully, says Liza Landsman, Executive Vice President of CitiCard. So what if you end up getting in over your head?
If you are having trouble keeping up or even just anticipating that you might, absolutely pick up the phone and call your issuer. In most cases, issuers have alternative payment programs, and eligibility obviously depends on your individual circumstances. But the thing that issuer most wants you to do is pick up the phone, call them, and have a dialogue with them to make sure that they can craft something with you that will work for you and sort of keep you out of trouble.
It'll probably make your situation worse to not do anything, right?
It absolutely will make your situation worse not to do anything. I think another thing I would strongly recommend is that U.S. consumers are entitled to get one free credit report a year. I think just as everyone engages in an annual physical checkup, you should do an annual credit checkup. It's just a great way to see, how people who are extending credit see you.
Landsman says, just like a physical checkup, we all need the annual financial one. She says, take advantage of that free credit report every year.
WCBS News Time, 9:52.